What's up everyone, it's Jim here. Today, we're diving deep into business automation, comparing OnPassive to its competitors. This isn't about flashy features, it's about real value and transformation. We're breaking down key differences: AI, pricing, support, scalability. By the end, you'll know what sets OnPassive apart and if it's the right fit for you. Stick around, it's about to get interesting. But before we dive in, please take a moment to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks. Alright, let's talk AI. OnPassive integrates AI into its core functionalities, automating tasks like lead generation, email marketing, and customer service. It learns and adapts, becoming more efficient over time. Some competitors offer basic automation, but OnPassive takes it to another level. Think about it: targeted campaigns, personalized customer interactions, and data-driven insights. That's the power of OnPassive's AI. It's about getting ahead and staying there. Let's be real, price matters. OnPassive's pricing model is competitive, considering everything it offers. A comprehensive suite of tools, marketing automation, domain registration, website building, and many more tools and services. Some competitors might seem cheaper but have hidden fees or limited features. With OnPassive, you get transparency and clear value. It's not just a platform, it's a business partner invested in your success. Focus on value and long-term benefits, and that's where OnPassive truly shines. Chapter 3. The support system you need. OnPassive's secret weapon. Let's talk about something crucial: customer support. In today's fast-paced business environment, having a reliable support system can make all the difference. OnPassive sets itself apart with exceptional customer support. Their team is not just trained, but also dedicated to ensuring your issues are resolved promptly. A responsive, knowledgeable team genuinely invested in your success. They go above and beyond to provide solutions tailored to your needs. Plus, a thriving community of supportive users. This network of like-minded individuals is always ready to share insights and advice. It's like having a network of entrepreneurs cheering you on. Their collective experience and knowledge can be a game changer for your business. This sense of community is invaluable in the online business world. It fosters collaboration, innovation, and growth. With OnPassive, you're never alone. You've got a team and community behind you. Together, they create an environment where your business can thrive. Chapter 4. Built to Scale: How OnPassive Grows with Your Business. In this chapter, we will explore how OnPassive is designed to grow alongside your business, ensuring that you have the tools and resources you need at every stage of your journey. Your business is constantly evolving and your platform needs to keep up. OnPassive understands the dynamic nature of business growth and provides a robust platform that evolves with you. OnPassive is built with scalability in mind. This means that as your business grows, the platform grows with you, offering scalable technology and infrastructure to support your expanding needs. Whether you're starting out or a seasoned entrepreneur, OnPassive adapts to your needs. It caters to a diverse range of business models and industries, ensuring that you have the right tools at your disposal. Seamlessly integrate new features, expand your team, and manage larger data volumes. OnPassive makes it easy to incorporate the latest technologies and scale your operations efficiently. Some competitors offer basic plans that become restrictive as you expand. These limitations can hinder your growth and prevent you from reaching your full potential. OnPassive provides the flexibility and resources to scale without limitations. With OnPassive, you have access to a suite of tools and services designed to support your growth at every stage. It's about empowering you to dream big and providing the tools to make those dreams a reality. OnPassive is committed to helping you achieve your business goals, no matter how ambitious they may be. Chapter 5. Don't just take our word for it. What users are saying. Reviews and testimonials speak for themselves. Users from all over the world, and the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. Users praise OnPassive for its ease of use. They appreciate how it simplifies complex tasks and will deliver tangible outcomes, highlighting the intuitive interface, powerful AI tools, and exceptional customer support. Many users will notice how the platform's design makes their work more efficient. Consistent positive feedback across different industries and business sizes. From small startups to large enterprises, OnPassive will meet the needs of a diverse clientele. OnPassive resonates with users serious about taking their business to the next level. Entrepreneurs and business leaders alike will find value in its comprehensive features. Check out what other users are saying. Their love for the company could be the inspiration you need to make the leap. The bottom line is OnPassive right for you. We've covered a lot, from AI-driven automation to scalability and customer support. The best platform depends on your specific needs and goals. If you're looking for a comprehensive, future-proof solution leveraging AI, consider OnPassive. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful videos. For more information about OnPassive and to find financial freedom on the internet, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.